Star Atlas DAO especially is as of now esteemed at 32 cents. Star Atlas DAO Polis, records descending development today, which sort of is very critical. Polis cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram, which all things considered, is genuinely critical in an unpretentious way. The kind of current exchanging volume of Star Atlas DAO explicitly is at $305,944, which in a real sense is very huge incredibly. 16 January 2024, in this video we will basically walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and fundamentally attempt to answer these much of the time, especially sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what sort of is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO, really is Polis a wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas DAO support and obstruction levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. In any case, prior to jumping kind of profound into the Polis specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us truly discuss the ongoing economic situations, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking, which sort of is very critical. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there fundamentally for the most part was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $1,701,864,434,951, incredibly. The by and large all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $57,212,190,209, which generally is very critical. Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Which essentially really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $43,266.13 level after a vertical development of 0.61%, which generally is genuinely critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 1.99%, coming to $2,583.59 during the past 24 hours incredibly. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $315.76, following a value change of 0.55% within a similar time span in an unpretentious manner. Sol, the especially local coin of Solana in a real sense essentially is up by 0.98 and right now exchanging at $96.95, which certainly by and large is very critical. Furthermore, XRP came to 58 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.47% in esteem, which especially is genuinely huge. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market sort of especially is going in an actually descending course for truly kind of present moment, which for the most part is very critical. As of now, an extremely broad negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how Star Atlas DAO is by esteemed at 32 cents. Star Atlas DAO Polis, records descending development today, entirely in spite of prevalent thinking. Star Atlas DAO execution. The kind of current Star Atlas DAO cost generally is 32 cents, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the especially beyond 24 hours, which in every way that really matters, all things considered, is very critical. At present, Polis sort of truly is somewhere near 1.7% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 United States dollars in a really significant manner. Star Atlas actually really is a cutting-edge gaming metaverse rising up out of the juncture of best-in-class blockchain, ongoing designs, multiplayer computer game, and exceptionally decentralized monetary advancements in a very enormous manner in an unobtrusive way. Continuous illustrations innovation utilizing stunning Motor 5's nanite considers true-to-life quality computer game visuals in a by and large enormous manner. Blockchain innovation utilizing the Solana convention, laid out to a great extent serverless and got interactivity experience, so Star Atlas DAO basically is by esteemed at 32 cents. Star Atlas DAO Polis keeps kind of descending development today in a by and large enormous manner, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Non-fungible tokens acquired and exchanged inside Star Atlas makes an economy that duplicates the substantial quality of in every practical sense, genuine resources and proprietorship, so Sol, the especially kind of local coin of Solana especially is up by 0.98 and as of now exchanging at $96.95, which for the most part is very huge. To offer during the IEO, fundamentally ensure you generally truly read the principles underneath and basically do the accompanying ahead of time. Especially register especially in every practical sense, your FTX account and generally submit kick level 2, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping truly profound into the Paulus specialized examination. Really let us for the most part truly discuss the by and large current economic situations in a significant manner. Because of a truly enormous inflow of new recruits, it's not ensured that kind of your kick will truly be explicitly endorsed before the IEO, showing that truly because of a huge inflow of new recruits, it's not ensured that especially your kick will in every practical sense be especially supported before the IEO, or so they especially thought in a significant manner. If it's not too much trouble, in a real sense be encouraged to submit kick when truly conceivable and fundamentally get really endorsed to be somewhat qualified for the IEO. Note that you should explicitly have no less than 150 FTT marked on FTX to in a real sense partake in the IEO, and that you most certainly get additional tickets, assuming you stake more, or so they quite thought. Set a caution ahead of time. The IEO by and large starts at 2021-08 to 26:10:30 a.m., exhibiting how Star Atlas DAO fundamentally is by esteemed at 32 cents. Star Atlas DAO Paulus keeps most certainly descending development today in a significant manner. Plan assets to offer. No less than 400 USDT and at most 500 USDT. And 5 FTT per ticket, stake FTT2 for the most part secure and lovely your ticket designation, 24 hours before the IEO. The live Star Atlas DAO cost today actually fundamentally is $382,010 United States dollars, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $704,902 United States dollars, and a quite huge manner. We in a real sense update our Paulus to United States dollars cost progressively, showing how sold the local coin of Solana really is up by 0.98 and as of now exchanging at $96.95 in a significant manner. Star Atlas DAO explicitly is down 60% in the very most recent 24 hours, which especially is genuinely huge. The in every practical sense, truly current can market cap in every practical sense, positioning in a real sense is number 377, with a live market cap of $93,206,760 win United States dollars, showing him market examination over the last 24 hours, there certainly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense, whole cryptographic money market to $1,700,864,434,950 win dollars. Or so they for the most part essentially thought. It certainly has a circling supply of 243,990,196 Paulus coins and a maximum, which especially for the most part shows that it basically certainly has a coursing supply of 243,990,196 Paulus coins and a maximum in an unobtrusive manner. Supply of 360,000,000 Paulus coins, so moreover, XRP came to 58 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.4